Welcome to the next session of equivalent expression tutorials. Today we are going to explore smart tricks and methods to solve tricky problems with equivalent expressions. And yes, these kind of questions do appear in exams. So let's gear up and make sure you're ready to tackle them like a pro. Here you can see the first question on the screen. It is about that we have to find the factor of the polynomial above. So what is the polynomial given here? 4a square plus 20ab plus 25b square. So before finding factor, we need to work on the equation little bit, then only we'll understand what exactly happening here. For 4a square, if I want to write this in complete square, so a will be like that. What is 4? Actually it is square of 2, so I can write 4a square as 2a whole square. And what about 25b square? I can write it as 5b whole square, right? So first and last term I have written in whole square format, and inside there is 2a and 5b. How I can split this middle term? So you know what I'm thinking? I'm thinking of a formula a square plus twice ab plus b square, if it is like that. So I'm getting something like a whole square, b whole square. So can I write middle term as 2 times a into b kind of format? So let's try. So how I can write 20? So 2ab. So what is a here? A is 2a in our problem and b is 5b. Are we getting 20ab by multiplying these three? 2 times 5. Yes, it is 20. And ab, yeah. So we are getting 20ab by this combination. Great. So what this formula is all about? It is all about a plus b whole square, right? So what is a in our problem? In our problem a is 2a and b is 5b. So how I can write this equation? 2a plus 5b whole squared. So they are asking which is a factor of the polynomial above. So I can say that 2a plus 5b definitely is one factor which we'll get from here, because I can write this square as 2a plus 5b and 2a plus 5b 2 times, right, for power 2. So answer is B. Alright, next question is P and V. They are given in terms of x. P is 3x plus 4, V is x plus 5. And we have to find that whatever expression is given here, that is equivalent to which of the option. So yes, we have to solve. Without solving, we cannot imagine what is going to be there. So let's write the given expression PV minus 2P plus V. What is the value of P given in the problem? It is 3x plus 4. What is V? X plus 5 twice P. What is P? Again 3x plus 4 and V is x plus 5. Okay, very carefully we are going to handle this problem. First we have to multiply the bracket, two brackets together. So 3x into x will be 3x squared, 3x into 5 will be 15x, then lower arrows we are going to work, so this will be 4x, 4 times 5 is 20. This is done. Now 2 times 3 and 2 times 4 that you are going to do, but with minus sign. So minus 2 times 3 will become minus 6x and minus 2 times 4 will become minus 8. Last one we are going to follow like that because there is nothing to multiply. Now just target the similar terms. I can see this is 15x plus 4x minus 6x and plus x. All these are x terms, and the ones with the another color, they are constant. So we need to group them. So 3x squared just work out with x. So 15 plus 4 is 19, 19 minus 6, 19 plus 1 is 20, and 20 minus 6 is 14. We can do either way. So this is 14x, and lastly constants, 20 minus 8 is 12, 12 plus 5 is 17. So yes, I have obtained this expression, quadratic expression, and I can find this option in B. So my answer is B. I hope you got this. Okay, moving to next one. What is next? Yeah, this is little simple. I'm sure you can also predict what we have to do here. To start with the given equation, x to the power 4 minus x squared minus 6. This we have to solve, and we need to check that which one is going to have equivalent expression. All right, so everywhere I'm finding that first of all, you think of a factor. This is if I say this as x to the power 4 as 2 to the power 2 minus x squared and minus 6. So by multiplication I should get minus 6, and their sum or difference should be minus 1. So can I get such combination? 3 times 2 is 6, but it is 3 times 2 minus 3 and 2 if I take. So this will give you minus 1, and minus 3 times 2 is minus 6. Okay, this is working. So this combination we'll put. So this is x squared and squared. In place of this minus 1, we are putting minus 3x squared plus 2x squared minus 6. So out of these two, what I can take common? So x squared is common there, and inside x squared minus 3, and here I can see 2 is common, x squared minus 3. So yeah, I am very near to the answer, x squared minus 3 and x squared plus 2. So this option we are getting here, which is in B option. So again I am getting B as an answer. All right, next one is 2x plus 5 whole square minus x minus 2 plus 2x plus 3, and again we have to find the equivalent expression. So I suppose that you guys can try this one and post me the answers in the comment, and also the solutions. So would love to see it. Please take screenshot and solve it, and you can post answer either by this ID number also. Okay, so try this. I'm sure you can do it. And this one is also pretty simple, but we'll do it quickly together. This is x squared plus minus 5 they have given, and we have to find the equivalent expression. So we are having one formula. It is a squared minus b squared, which is a plus b into a minus b. So this I'm trying to make here. So x squared is fine, but right now there is no squared in the second term, but I can write 5 as root 5 squared, right? That is nothing but 5 only it is a different way of writing. So now I can apply this formula in this step. So what it will become, x minus root 5 and x plus root 5. So I get this answer so quickly, and C is the correct option for this question. Next is again some terms are given there, and we have to find the equivalent form. So always whenever we have to check the equivalent form, we need to simplify those brackets and powers to get the correct option given in the question. So what we are going to do here, that you have to, in the second bracket actually there is no whole power, you can see here. So right now we are not going to do anything, but here I can see power 2. So it means that you have to expand by using a minus b whole squared formula. So what I'm doing here, a minus b whole squared. What is the formula, by the way? A square minus 2ab plus b squared, right? So going to the complete expression, I'm thinking to solve that whole squared separately, and then we'll go to the option. Okay, so in place of a we are having 1.5x, and in place of b it is 2.4. okay, just be careful while applying the formula. So this is 1.5x squared minus twice ab 1.5x into 2.4 plus 2.4 squared. So apply power 2. So 1.5, when you square it, you will get 2.25, and power of x will be 2. Then in middle term you have to multiply 2 into 1.5 and then with 2.4. So you will get 3, I think it is 7.2. 7.2x and 2.4 whole square, that will give you 5.76. much better. So in this way we obtained the whole square of first bracket. Now coming to the question. What is the question? So it is 1.5x minus 2.4 minus 5.2x square minus 6.4 equals to. So first bracket answer we have obtained. It is 2.25 x squared minus 7.2x plus 5.76. Open this bracket, sign will change, minus 5.2x squared plus 6.4. Work out the similar terms. What are the similar terms I can see here? 2.25x square and this is minus 5.2x square. They are same. And another one is 5.76 constant and 6.4. X term is only one time there. So after simplification for the x square, I am getting minus 2.95 x squared minus 7.2x is like that, and by solving the constants we are getting 12.16. So I can find this option in option C. So this will be the answer. So when there are intermediate kind of questions in that you have to solve and you should able to apply the squared formulas and multiplication, then only you will get the correct value. Okay, next one is cube root of x cube and y to the power 6. I think that this is pretty simple. We can do in seconds. X to the power 3, y to the power 6, and I can write cube root as power 1 over 3. By applying the laws of indices, what is the law? That if two terms are in multiplication and power is outside, so that power I can give to both. So here I can give power 1 by 3 to both separately. I will cancel out the powers. So what is x? Y squared, and I get this option in B. So this was a little simple, but only you should know the property of exponents and all. So this problem I would like to give you as homework, and please post its solution and answer. that will show your engagement, how you're responding to my video. It will be great to see. And one more for you, please. These three problems are for you, and if you want more questions on this, I can post in next video. So thank you so much for your time. I hope you have followed the procedure. Till then, take care. Bye bye.